There is something there.
What?
Dig. I have a surprise for you.
There's something in here?
Yes.
You want me to dig?
Yes. Tell Apple the dog to dig too. Why do you look like a lemon?
What the heck? What is this?
Something very special.
Apple, help me.
Well, you are very weak.
What is this?
Open the box.
This is for me?
Yes, and it is awesome.
You got me the Z Flip? What the heck? Oh, this is awesome. The Z Flip. What's going on, guys? So I don't know who the heck that was, but that person, lemon god, whatever that is, got me the Galaxy Z Flip, which is super exciting. I'm actually super excited to unbox this. The packaging is absolutely awesome. Yellow knife. Z Flip, Z Flip, Z Flip. All right, let's go ahead and take that out. And now we are officially presented with some paperwork. Il futuro cambia de forma. Ecco Galaxy. I don't know why this is in Italian. Okay, this is the Z Flip. I don't want to look at it. We got Premier service. Of course, I mean, this is such an expensive phone. $1,500 a power brick. USB-C. We also get these AKG headphones, which nobody wants. So, anybody want these?
I want them.
You want them? You gave this phone to me.
Shut up and send them over.
All right. Ready?
Yes. Got them, thank you.
And let's go ahead and check out the Galaxy Z Flip. This is the first time that I'm ever seeing this phone. 1, 2, 3. And this is cool. This is super cool. So the light changes depending on, this is awesome. It's not water resistant, so it's a really, you gotta be careful with this phone. Why are they interrupting me? All right, let's do it. This is beautiful. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh, sexy. All right, I want to do the first fold. Ready? I want to fold it. I am so scared right now. 1, 2, 3. Ah, that is so satisfying. I'm gonna go ahead and activate it, and I'm gonna vlog throughout the day. Today is actually Carnival. Jenny, you want to come? Today is actually Carnaval, which is kind of like Halloween here in Europe, Brazil, all types of places. She's freaking Pocahontas. I'm actually gonna switch. Check this photo out from yesterday.
Oh, ¿cómo va?
Yep, it's good, right? ¿Te agrada? Opinion?
More.
So it's actually got a screen over here that actually gets your notifications. You can see the time, the battery, the date, without actually opening it. Yep, and that's Samsung logo. Somebody's calling you. Algo te está trucando, right? What do you do?
Hi.
And that's the Galaxy Z Flip. So now let's actually use the phone, go party. Tomorrow I'm actually gonna give you more impressions. It's gonna be good. So let's freaking do it. This, it, this, it. Guys, I didn't actually show you this in the unboxing, but there's actually a free case that comes with the Galaxy Z Flip. Now, as I said, we're gonna go to Carnival because I want to test out the Galaxy Z Flip's camera, which I've heard mixed feelings about it. I'm dressing up as an Indian, Native American. So yeah, I mean, it should be a lot of fun to just go around, take photos, night photos. We're gonna test out the camera in night. So yeah, let's do it. Guys, check this out. So if you put the Galaxy Z Flip like this, and then you do like this. See? Did you see that? It took a photo. Do it. That's so awesome. So you just like this. It takes a photo. By the way, it's such a fingerprint magnet. Now, hey, there we go. Do you see that? How do you take a photo though? Oh, there you go. Smile. It's cool. Do you want to try?
¿Quién es?
That's so cool. Now unflip it. And now let's see that photo. Is it a full photo or is it just a tiny photo? Oh yeah, it's super cool.
Go on.
That's awesome. Okay. A problem that Chenia sees and that I totally agree with as well is that it's actually a really tall phone and you can't reach the top. It's definitely a two-handed phone.
Que lo que no entiendo, ¿esto que es plástico o es cristal?
So Samsung says it's actually the first ever foldable glass. Lo puedes plegar la cámara y ahora hacer una foto. You do like this and it takes a photo.
Pero toda esta mariconada no sirve para nada, porque el móvil que tengo yo, que es un iPhone 8, va igual. O sea, al final, ¿para qué sirve que se doble?
Alright, something to notice. You can actually unfold the Galaxy Z Flip with one hand. It just takes some practice. Yeah. You can do it with two hands, which is super easy. And then with also one. Let's go.
Okay. 100 pounds, we just break them down. Place a couple phone calls, they gon' make them round. Let's make it show that everybody ate. So in the end, I'm making ends on everybody's streets. I'm in the trenches with it OD. I'm circulating, fucking coke into the OD. The kid that started with 100 grams. Now he can turn.
When we just saw Chenia dancing, that was actually Chenia's mom and Chenia's sisters. That's why she was dancing. They're gonna win. There's actually a competition that's happening, so hopefully they'll win it. Let's keep on having fun.
The next day.
I honestly feel famous. Every time I take this out on the streets in my class, every time I do that, everybody asks, hey, can I touch that phone? Can I feel it? Can I fold it? People really find this phone fascinating. I personally find this phone truly fascinating. Be sure to like this video if you guys enjoyed it, and be sure to like this video if you guys want a full review on the Galaxy Z Flip, because I'm not quite sure yet if the way that the Galaxy Z Flip actually folds, I'm not quite sure if it's actually useful, if it's just fun, if it's just awesome, or if I actually want this in every single phone out in the market. So yeah, don't forget that animals are your friends, not your food. Don't forget that woman equals men. Don't forget to never grow up, and don't ever forget to live the lemon life. Peace.
That's life. That's life. That's what all the people say.